Hello, 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 everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Patrice, and this is my Embellish Life. This week's episode, I have a sewing pattern review to share. Yes, I've made a decision, guys, and I decided to use my one birthday outfit lifeline left on that particular pattern. So if that's something you're interested in, let's get in it. 2 episodes ago, I expressed that I really wanted to make another birthday outfit after I was finished fooling around with Simplicity 3823. And I think in that episode, I showed about 8 different patterns that I was going to select from. And Butterick 4512 was among those patterns. And it won, and I have no regrets about that choice that I made. So let's have a chat about Butterick 4512. This particular pattern is a retro pattern, and it's based off of the 1950s era, well, 1957 to be exact, and it's a halter dress pattern, and it has 3 different views, but the view that I was interested in is view A. Now this particular pattern, I wanted to make it for a while, but somehow I just never got around to doing so. And I kind of regret that because I absolutely love this pattern, and I'm so happy that common sense and I came together to make a decision, and this particular pattern won. Oh my goodness, I can say from right now that I do intend of making more of this pattern with some adjustments, and we're gonna chat a bit about that. But the view that I used is view A, and I absolutely love the look of this dress. Now, the fabric that I used was actually, I did deviate from what I said that I was going to use in that episode. In that episode, I was so confident in myself when I said, yes, I'm going to use this Ankara fabric matched with the denim. I think the negotiations did not go too well for this one. I thought we had come to an agreement, but apparently this Ankara fabric had other plans for itself. So I changed my mind at the last minute, and I decided to go with another denim fabric, and it's a floral denim fabric, white background with blue flowers, matched with the denim fabric. And you know what? I absolutely have no regrets about that decision. I am so pleased with it. So with this particular pattern, it is an easy pattern, and it says so on the back. Now, here is the thing. This pattern calls for 4 pattern pieces. 4 pattern pieces. This is why I wished I had made this pattern a long time ago. This was one of the fastest sewing patterns that I've ever done. I think I made this dress, I think it was in 2 days or so, 2 or 3 days, because I do take breaks within my sewing, and I absolutely enjoyed this process. Now, the pattern pieces, there's one for the front, there's the back, there's the skirt, front and back, and then there's also a skirt extension because it's a circle dress. So technically, it's actually 3 because you are connecting the extension to the skirt dress to get the rest of the circle effect. So technically, it's actually 3 pattern pieces that you're sewing together. 3. Oh my goodness. I am not mad about that at all. Now the size that I cut was a size 16, and I used a half seam allowance. The only adjustments that I did was actually I decreased the skirt length by 6 inches. Yes, I did. I decreased the skirt length about 6 inches, so it could have catch me 2 inches above my knee. And I'll see if I can just show the dress how it is so far. So that's the bottom. Yes, and I do love it. And there's the top. Now the top is a high neck top, and it has the hook and eye to clasp it. Now, my one pet peeve about this particular skirt is that I love pockets, and I wasn't able to put any pockets in because there are no side seams, but I'm able to overlook it for this dress. Now let's talk about pattern difficulty. Like I said, this pattern is so easy to understand, so easy to understand. I would recommend this to a confident beginner. You know, after you've done sewn maybe a couple of things and you're looking for something a step up from what you're doing, you want a little bit of challenge, I will recommend this to a confident beginner. This pattern is so easy. The instructions are easy to put together. It's easy to understand. It's very detailed. And like I said, it's 3 pattern pieces. You can't go wrong. So I would say that I didn't have any difficulties interpreting the pattern at all. Let's talk about the fitting. Now, like I said, I used a size 16 and I used a half seam allowance. Now, the fit was pretty good, but I do have some adjustments I think that I'll make in the future when I'm making this dress again. And that's something that I also noticed in Butterick 3823 as well, and that is in the abdominal region, this region here where I am connecting the bodice to the skirt. I find that there's some bunching of the fabric in this region, which means to tell me that I just might have to shorten the top by maybe an inch or so. I'll do that particular measurement, but it never dawned on me before to actually do that particular measurements. Of course, I know that I do my measurements to grade out from my shoulders down to my bust, because I know that I do get gaping in the shoulders and the neck region. But that particular area, I don't know if it's something that I don't know if I'm shrinking or if my body is changing. I don't know, or if it's something that was always there and I've never paid particular attention to it. But I see it now, so we have to fix it now. So that is something that I have to pay more attention to, and then I have to make that adjustment for any future dresses that I make. But the overall fit, besides that, it was pretty good. I have no complaints about it at all. So are there any changes that I would make in the future? Yes, I would. Well, I've already said that I'll make the adjustment to shorten the waistline. I've already made the adjustment to shorten the length of the skirt, which I am pleased with. But the other adjustment that I would make is actually in the neck area. And I think that I would lower the neck region just a bit. Although I love the look of it, I really don't like anything that is too close to my neck. This is why I don't wear chokers, and this is why I don't wear turtlenecks or anything of that sort. Even when I wear anything with collars, that top collar is never buttoned. I just don't like anything that is too close to my neck. Somehow it just feels like it's choking me and I don't like it. So I think I'll lower the neck area just a little bit, not too much, just a little bit, because I don't want to ruin the style or the overall effect of the dress. So I'll lower it just a little bit. But other than that, that's the only adjustment that I would make. No, wait, I'm lying. Oh, please forgive me. Another thing that I would like to try is that I think in a future dress, I think that I would like to add some sort of horsehair braiding to the hem, just so, because I do like that flared look. You know that flared look? I do love that flared look, but I don't want to wear a petticoat underneath it. I mean, currently how the dress is, it's fine, but sometimes I do like that extra kind of flared kind of look, but I don't want to wear a petticoat. Look, it's hot in these streets. I don't need anything that would contain any extra heat. So I think I'll try the horsehair braid, just to see if they can maintain that flared shape in the future dress. So that's an experiment that I would like to do for another dress. So what are my overall thoughts and comments about this dress? I love it. I love this dress. Definitely a 5 out of 5. I highly recommend this pattern. And this pattern is so versatile that you can dress it up or dress it down. I use denim, but you can use, a fancier type of fabric if you wish, if you're going to somewhere more formal. But I happen to like this casual, semi-casual look with the denim and the white denim as well. But it is so versatile and it is so easy and it's quick to put together. And this is coming from someone who is a slow sewist. And if I tell you it's quick, believe you me, my quick sewists out there can whip this up in a matter of hours. Look, I highly recommend this dress. Wherever you can find it, get it. And put it in your wardrobe and have fun with it. I'm just saying, absolutely love this pattern. I think with the minor adjustments that I'm going to do, this can easily be a TNT pattern for me. Yep, yes it can. All right, lovies, that is all that I have today concerning Butterick 4512. A must-have for your stash and your wardrobe. Look, I am so serious. Get it. Get this pattern. You won't regret it. And if you do have it and you do sew it up, please share it on social media and tag me, because I want to see your makes too, all right? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you can keep up to date with all of my sewing adventures, misadventures, shenanigans, whatever you want to call them, but you'll be up to date with them. I hope you have a wonderful week. Enjoy your day. Think lovely thoughts. Keep on smiling and always remember to make beautiful things, all right? All right, lovies, I'm out of here. Bye.